Hey everybody, so glad you stopped by. Today we are doing everyone's favorite, a Dollar Tree DIY with this little home sign that we've all seen in Dollar Tree. I'm going to pair this with the reclaimed wood, make it look farmhouse, make it look old, and we're gonna throw together a little piece of decor for $1, some reclaimed wood and some leftover paint. If you wanna see more videos like this, give this video a thumbs up.
What are you doing with that crate?
We're gonna do a DIY project. Look at this beautiful wood. Come on, you wanna help?
Yeah.
Okay. You are? You think? Come on, let's go get some paint and stuff.
Okay.
Box. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can cut at least one of these butterflies off. Excuse all the mess down below. That's all my Dollar Tree stuff. The pile just keeps getting bigger and bigger. Good chunk of it. Oh, I just broke it off. That's good. Yay! It broke off right in the right spot. That's awesome. This little guy, I don't know what but I really don't want him on there. All right, you guys, I bought this hand saw off of Amazon and I cut down a ton of trees and tree branches up to this big in the spring. So I'm gonna link this below. This is awesome if you need to do any yard work. I'm a part of the Amazon affiliates program, but this is almost like a keyhole saw. So I'm gonna see, I think the blades are too big. If this thing can get in there. It's working. This little blade is awesome. Bye-bye, little butterfly. Bye-bye. I'm super excited about this.
Yeah, it's really fun.
All right, let's get some white paint on this bad boy.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like.
I'm so happy with the finished product, except it looked a little plain, so I started adding this twine on. It's just regular old jute twine, and now I can't figure out if I want it with it on or without. I think I'm gonna put a few more at the bottom, like it is at this very top, and I'm gonna let it ride. I can always take it off later. So let's get this thing up on the wall and find it a home. No pun intended. I'm such a dork. But wait, who's that pretty lady? I look exactly the same. I look the same. Same haircut, same hair color.
I know that everything will be alright when we dance and we fall and we don't care at all. Now we just sing the la 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 la.
See more videos like this, then make sure to subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. I upload multiple times a week, so I will see you all on the next one.